afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can turn off this Hyper-V function if it is disrupting the gameplay of PUBG on Gameloop emulator. Not only this emulator, for any emulator, if you this is exemption or the error, you can turn it off in two ways. Incompatible Hyper-V is running, just close. So let us see how you can turn off that. Let's see here. In order to turn off that, what you can do is you can click on this Windows logo, click and just search as cmd here command and then run it as the administrator. This is important. Okay, you need to run this as the administrator and you can give the permission here and here. Yeah, see here we need to execute one command here in the command prompt. I will be opening the notepad here and maybe I can copy this and paste it in the description so that you can also copy this, or you can just simply type this. Okay, to on and off. Off is for off and auto is for on. Okay, at any point of time if you want this back, see here the operation completed successfully. Now you need to restart your PC. Okay, then check whether the problem is solved or not, and Hyper-V is successfully turned off. Okay, whenever you want, just in the place of off you need to write auto. Whenever you want this to be enabled later, just give it as auto. That's it. And after this also you need to restart your computer, then the problem of this what is this Hyper-V is running, right? This will be turned off. You need to execute the command called turn off, and the another way is you can just search as optional features on your computer. Optional features, right? OPTAONL optional features. This will be on the here more Windows features. Tap on this and maximize this and make sure this virtual machine platform and Windows Hypervisor platform is turned off, unchecked, and restart the computer. Okay, in these two ways you can actually turn off this Hyper-V. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.